Hi everyone, I'm Naveen Gupta, co-founder CEO at Birdeye. Welcome to Birdeye View 2025. This is our biggest event of the year and honestly, one of my favorite days because we get to show you our latest innovations. Every year, we bring together the smartest leaders in multi-location marketing, brands, agencies, partners, publishers, pioneers, and together we get a bird's eye view of this fast-changing AI world.
Hello, I'm Dave Lehman, President and COO of Birdeye. If you're here today, you're not just here for theory, you're here for outcomes. You want growth, you want scale, and you need to get there without growing your headcount. Well, you're in the right place. This year, we're showing you a whole new way to run marketing. One where agents do the work for you. They get you found in AI search, they build your online presence, manage your reputation, elevate your brand, and deliver real, actionable insights.
For over a decade, Birdeye has been an innovator in multi-location marketing. 12 years ago, we started with foundational AI. Natural language processing and machine learning turned customer feedback into marketing intelligence. Then, about 3 years ago, we leveled up with generative AI, giving marketers the tools to work faster, summarizing reviews, suggesting content, crafting responses. Helpful, but still mostly a sidekick. And now we are stepping into our boldest transformation yet, Agentic AI. I'm thrilled to announce the launch of Birdeye, our Agentic AI platform. Here's the simplest way to think about it. Generative AI gives you the answers. Agentic AI gets things done. It remembers, it reasons, it chains actions together, and it doesn't just suggest, it executes. So in the past, you would have asked generative AI to suggest a post. Now, Agentic AI might notice a competitor campaign, analyze it against your past performance, blend in the current industry trends, and then launch a fully optimized campaign for you, end to end. Earlier this year, we framed Birdeye around 3 key pillars: outcomes, agents, models. Outcomes, these are real business results, not vanity metrics. Agents, these are workers that drive outcomes, that execute autonomously or with you in the loop. The models, these are our proprietary LLMs that are trained on your brand, your industry, your data. So everything is customized to you. Now, this is exactly what multi-location brands need in 2025 because the world of marketing just got so complex. Search has already shifted. Browser wars are heating up again, and the old attribution models, gone.
Let's be honest, multi-location marketing is hard. Your front door has moved. Google is no longer the de facto customer starting point. You bought a lot of software. You have small teams with big expectations, and you have too many customer touch points on too many channels. It's all noise. This is the world you live in. You finish replying to last week's reviews and 30 more show up. You haven't found time or the inspiration to post on social in weeks. Messages seep in from multiple channels, but there's no easy way to sort out the hot leads from the issues. You feel like you're bailing water with a teacup. And while you're drowning, the business down the street is already using AI. They're responding instantly, posting daily, and taking your customers. The solution? We all know it's not about funnels. They start and stop. Funnels are linear. They end. The customers drop out the bottom, and you start all over again. That's not how growth works anymore. It's about creating a flywheel. Flywheels have always been powerful, using customer energy to fuel more growth. But this is different. This is a new day. This is an agentic flywheel. It's still based on the 3 core concepts: attract, convert, and delight. And now in the agentic world, take attract. Your brand shows up where customers are searching, not just on Google, but inside every AI-powered engine. For convert, every interaction, social, reviews, messaging, is handled by agents that act instantly, intelligently, and on brand. And for delight, you build loyalty by delighting customers with fast resolution, personalized experience, and turning them into your biggest advocates. And all of this is powered at every turn by Bird AI, outcomes, agents, and models.
Now, let's talk about the first stage of the agentic flywheel, attract. Think about how your customers find you. For years, Google has been the front door. Sometimes Instagram or TikTok. You optimize for SEO, you paid for SEM. That playbook worked. But today, customers are starting their journey on AI platforms like ChatGPT or Perplexity. Did you know that ChatGPT alone had 2.5 billion prompts a day? Even Google is pushing people into AI mode now. That changes everything. Search results are being replaced by answers. So it's not just about SEO anymore. It's also about GEO, Generative Engine Optimization. That's why today we are announcing the launch of Search AI. It tells you what prompts matter the most to your customers, where and how your brand is showing up in these AI platforms, which citations these AI engines are pulling from, whether or not your business data is accurate across these AI engines, and even how AI is portraying your brand sentiment. With Search Optimization Agent, it will be able to manage all of this GEO autonomously. So your visibility, accuracy, ranking, and sentiment on AI search is always optimized without you lifting a finger.
Once they find you, it's time to engage and convert that visibility into real business, leads, and customers. Think of all the marketing and sales tactics and tools that you've used for years. Tools to post on social, tools to collect reviews, tools to run campaign, tools to analyze reports. And what happens? You end up with just more dashboards, more to-dos, and not enough results. That's why we rebuilt the platform from the ground up. Rebuilt it so that agents will execute for you, taking you from tools to outcomes. And that's why we're releasing 10 new agents on this agentic platform. Each is geared towards driving business outcomes in critical areas of multi-location marketing. Let's run through them. First, the listings optimization agent. It maximizes local search visibility and discoverability with competitive keyword, insights, smart recommendations, and one-click updates. Next is the review generation agent. It helps generate more high-quality reviews by automatically A/B testing content, send times, and channels. The review response agent autonomously responds in context. It can actually look into your CRM and understand the true nature of a problem. For social, there's the publishing agent. It auto-generates and schedules brand-aligned, localized content. It uses yours and your competitors' best-performing previous posts. The social engagement agent responds to comments on your behalf. It can intelligently route messages and even understand posted photos. Reporting agent. This agent provides tailored, on-demand insights by location, by channel, or even by employee, simply by asking. The lead gen agent captures leads, qualifies intents, and keeps conversations moving automatically. The content segmentation agent creates dynamic, AI-powered audience segmentations. The template design agent builds instant, on-brand email templates. And last but certainly not least, a versatile, powerful agent, the custom agent. Now you can build bespoke AI workflows to solve unique business challenges. And remember, these aren't just assistants. They're your team running 24/7, ensuring the right message hits the right customer at the right moment.
Now let's talk about delight. This is about making your customers so happy, they not only come back, but they become your best marketers. We are taking a huge leap here with Insights 3.0 with actions. Previously, Insights gave you dashboards and trends. Now it gives you next steps. Here's what that means. Imagine you run 100 Burger King franchises. Corporate sends you endless dashboards and reports, but you can't tell what actually deserves your attention today. With Insights 3.0, Bird AI keeps monitoring every single location, but it only flags things that are both urgent and important, things that are really making business impact. For example, wait times are spiking for 10 locations, driving customer sentiment down and your customers away. Bird AI tells you, fix this first. And then it project manages the progress for you. It shows you whether or not your changes brought the wait times back in line with the industry leaders. This is not just information, this is impact.
Now, can you imagine all of this attract, convert, delight happening in one connected system? Agents talking to agents, powered by AI models built specifically for your business, delivering outcomes, and your agentic flywheel spinning faster and faster every quarter. Before you had silos, now you have speed. Before you had chaos, now you have control. Over the next 2 days, you'll see all of this in action. You don't want to miss our upcoming sessions featuring industry search leaders like Neil Patel, Andrew Shotland, and Greg Sterling. They'll share their insights on the evolving world of search and how AI-driven discovery and GEO are rewriting the rules of visibility and brand presence. We have dozens of marketers from multi-location brands talking about how they are leveraging Birdeye and AI to organize their teams, engage customers, and drive results.
Absolutely. These are going to be fantastic sessions. We'll also have top minds from Microsoft, Google, and OpenAI. We'll talk about the future of marketing orgs, teams of AI agents working alongside humans, turning goals into actions, actions into outcomes. Right after this, our very own Deepak Bhari will walk you through the details of the 10 agents that we are launching and how these agents can start working for you today. This is the new era, agentic marketing for multi-location brands. And it starts right now. Thank you.